Hi everyone! So, for today's video tutorial ay bibigyan ko kayo or I'll be giving an example kung paano nga po ba gumawa ng paragraph. Okay, so hold on. Let's have this. Okay, so ito po yung formal theme. For example, your formal theme. Okay, now first, your title, your homework will be the person I love the most. Okay, so first let's have the title. The 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 person I love. This one is big. I love the. Hold on. I love the most. Okay, so that is the title of your homework. Okay, so now always remember everyone na dapat dito sa left side ay 3 fingers, 'di ba? 3 fingers. Okay, so let's have this like a small one. Maybe like this. Kasi ang laki ng daliri ni ma'am sa screen eh. Okay. So, dito, sa left side ha, class, always remember, dito, ay 3 fingers kapag naka-indent. Okay? Papakita po ni ma'am sa inyo yung aking fingers. Okay? So, dahil malaki nga po ang daliri ni ma'am sa screen, ito, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, that is 3 fingers. 1, they are 3 fingers. Okay? So, dito naman po sa right side, maglalagay ako ng 1 finger lang. Okay? So, this will be 1 finger. 1. Okay? 1 finger. These are 3 fingers. Okay? So, kapag unang paragraph, mga anak, ay naka-indent. Pag sinabi po natin naka-indent, nakapasok dito, oh, sa ikatlo. Okay? Sa third finger. So, first, let's have our introduction. Okay. Everyone of, no. Everyone of us has the person every one of us has the person we love. Okay, nakita niyo nag-stop ako dito sa love kasi 'di ba, ang usapan natin first finger lang po. Finger, 'di ba? Yan. Next, we love, 'di ba? Kasunod na line po, dito na po tayo sa second finger. Okay, ito po yung second finger ko. Ito, 'di ba? Ito. Okay, so now every one of us has the person we love the most. Okay, period. Then, it may be our mother, father, sister, o, di ba magkapantay? Sister or brother. It may also hold on. It also may be our grandparents. Okay, and then may kulang pa dito. Okay, then kasunod na. Okay, basta yan na yan ha. First sentence, second sentence, third sentence, okay? And then kulang pa ng how many? Kulang pa ng 10. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, class, na dito po. Okay, dito. Okay. Copy. Copy, paste. Okay, 1, 2. Copy, paste. Alin na? Copy, paste. Okay, so for example, mga anak, naka 10 sentences na po kayo dyan. Okay, 10 sentences dito sa first paragraph. Sa kasunod po, you may put a line, one space. One space. Bago mag-proceed sa second paragraph. Okay, sa second paragraph, mga anak, always remember na naka-indent po ulit. Okay, paano nga po yung indent? Nakapasok po ulit. Ibig sabihin, okay, I will show you. Ano bang kulay nito? Itong green na to. Okay. Ito, naka-indent po yan ha. Oh, yan. Tapos, ito naman, first. Ito naman, yung second natin. Diba? So, ibig sabihin po, dyan lang po tayo pwedeng magsulat. Now, let's have our second paragraph. Second paragraph. Okay, sentence. Dito. Dito, ang kasunod. Dito, second line. Okay, dito. Yan, right, hanggang sa maka 10. And then, pagkatapos po ng second paragraph na naka 10 sentences na, dito naman, another one space. And then, third paragraph. Okay, then 10 sentences ulit. 10. Okay. Kunyari, dito ka natapos. Ganyan lang po. Okay? So, if you have any questions, just comment down below. Okay? So, dito po i-discuss ni ma'am since busy po kayo sa inyong mga practice. Okay? So, pag may questions, you may just tell me. Okay? Thank you. Good night.